Hey guys, RPR. Okay, Enter the Stars recently with great finds in the Man of Steel pertaining to this missing Flight 370. Some 370 symbolism, and of course where the exact spot where it supposedly crashed or ended is the same area in the Man of Steel film. And then he also just uploaded this where 370 pops up again. It just pops up right at the screen in this scene here with all the debris blowing, flying around. And take note that this is a vehicle, and it actually says 6370. So if that wasn't enough, I discovered 370 again in another scene on top of another bus, the same number. You have 370 popping right at you. Check it out. So we have two clips of 370 popping right at you at the camera. Okay, also the kicker, guys, right here, it says MIA, missing in action, 370. Okay, here you go. MIA 370, the same vehicle as End of the Stars found in his clip. Unreal. More to come on the symbolism relating to this whole event. I'll be putting up a video. Leave your comments, guys.
And if I don't stop that machine over the Indian Ocean, the gravity field will continue to expand. And if I don't stop that machine over the Indian Ocean, the gravity field will continue to expand.